Location: the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and Tibet. Mount Everest lies in the Himalayan range, straddling the boundary between Nepal and Tibet. Height of Mount Everest. Mount Everest stands at 8,848 meters, the tallest mountain on Earth. Significant first ascent. In 1953, Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay reached the summit of Everest for the first time. Key facts about Everest. It attracts many climbers each year. It is known for risks, including avalanches and altitude sickness, and it symbolizes human endurance and adventure. Everest continues to inspire adventurers worldwide despite its challenges and dangers. Discover more about the world's wonders in the spirit of exploration.